Hey, hello and welcome to Celine and her daddy's train set. So this is the loft in Whitchurch House, and just before we remove all the train set, so here's a little guide to our train set. We have 2 tracks, lots of loops.
And we have 4 trains on the go.
Yep, 4 running at once. Look at that. Oh, there goes one. He goes over there and then into the tunnel. That's kind of a tunnel. And oh, here comes another one. That's an EWS loco. And then if you can imagine, there's a tunnel here behind the house. Here, not that one on the right. But here comes the steam train.
Yep, that one over
Oh,
there.
he's a bit slow, isn't he? He'll be there in a minute. Oh, here comes EWS again. He's pretty quick.
Yeah,
We have the station. Oh, and here's... Oh, there's that nice one. Yeah, look at that. There's a passenger train coming through the station. And... Oh, I think we're going to have an accident. Oh my God. Stop, steam train, stop. I'm going to have to do a little adjustment here. What am I doing? Yeah. No. I need to speed up this little diesel one here. Oh, wrong one. I get so confused. Oh my God, I've got to press the emergency stop. Ah! That was close. Goodness gracious. Oh. Okay, so here we go again. Number 3 loco. Get going. This is the problem when you've got so many... Oh, not you, not you. Oh my God, oh my God. Try number 6. Oh, it's number 6 is going. That's it. Right, get going, number 6. Right, and then we got number 3. That's that passenger train there. Not too fast, please. Not too fast.
That one there,
That's it. Off he goes into the tunnel. And then we got number 8. That's that one there. Right. Okay, little fellow. Off you go. Here comes the nice German diesel.
That one over there going.
And that's it. It's a goods train. Look at all that stuff on the back. Yeah, that's it. Up he goes. Yes, it's got lots of beer on the back. Right, steam train is underway. You haven't even seen the steam train yet, have you? Oh, come on. Right. Oh, there's Celine. What are you going to do up there? Here comes the steam train. Chuff, 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 chuff.
And there's a train overhead, a really quick one.
Ah, brilliant. Lovely steam train. Look at that.
Yep, fast one. Very fast. Here's a train over here about to go in the tunnel.
Right, there it goes into the tunnel. Or into that tunnel. Let's have a look at Celine's tunnel.
Look,
Oh, yo, he's just gone. Yeah. And what else have we got going on?
One somewhere hiding round, and it's coming round over here. Watch! You don't want to miss it.
Yeah, that's it. There he
Here
goes.
it is. Hello.
Maybe we should stop him. I think that's number 3. Yeah, he's stopped. Okay. That was just so exciting. I
And
love it
here's
when
the
they
steam
cross.
train again. Don't forget to
As you
see
can-
it.
Yeah, that was a steam train. Yeah, as you can see, this was never quite completed, this wonderful railway, but it was pretty damn good. And there's a couple of loops, like there's that cord there that went
Yeah, it's just about to come here.
under the
Hello,
back
driver.
there and through that
Over
little
here,
groove. I don't know if you can see
Over
that.
here, look.
It actually enables the trains to turn around, and then there's this big loop here. So if you follow that route and you turn off to the right, you go under the back, under the tunnel, around the back, and then up there, and then across my beautiful homemade viaduct. And it was meant to make a station there on the top level.
There's a train there, and there's a train coming round there.
That's the steam train again, yep.
Well, Dad, while you watch that one can come around.
Oh, number 5 is going a bit too quick here. Anyway, I think you video watchers have probably had just about enough fun. So, with this beautiful train coming gently into the station, I can't even remember its number. There we go. That's it, that's it, that's it, that's it. Okay.
Okay,
And then we better stop. Thanks for watching.
Dad.